Hey guys, it's Bubblegum Ninja and welcome back to my channel. I post videos every single, I think I'm going to be pulling it back to just Saturdays. I post every single Saturday at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. So make sure to subscribe and turn on that bell for notifications. Today I have a haul video and I love doing haul videos. Today's a little bit different because instead of like a bunch of cheap things that I found on sale, because I hate spending money. But today I have less, more expensive things. And I just want to say really quickly, yeah, this is a lot of money, but my parents don't like buy me all these things. I'm not spoiled. I work 2 jobs. I work really hard, and so if you want something, you work for it, and I'm proud that I'm able to get these things. And I know that people love haul videos, so let's hop right into it. I'm gonna start with something because it's catching my attention because I look so tan here. I got a self tanner, which if you saw the video, I'll link it down below. I used it for the first time with you guys, but it looks so natural, doesn't it? It just, wow. It's not orange or anything. It looks good on your hands too. It's really easy. And it's the Loving Tan Deluxe Bronzing Mousse. But anyway, I love this stuff. I think it was $35 and I used a code to get the mitt for free. Why not? Let's show you the most expensive thing. So I had a pair of purple beats and they broke because I don't know why. I was just putting them on one day. I didn't like stretch them on or anything and it just snapped. They were a gift and I know that I need a good pair of headphones, especially for school, because you know I live with people and I need headphones for editing. So I got the Beats wireless solos and you know they're Bluetooth, and I got them in rose gold. Yes, you can cringe. I was mad at myself too. I was trying to decide for so long what color to get. What I really wish they had was like black where the B was gold. I think that would be gorgeous. But I caved and I went for the rose gold just like everyone else. But they're so comfy. But yeah, these are amazing. The sound quality is great. The battery hours last like 40 hours. These with tax were $300, so very pricey. I never spend close to this much money on anything. Okay, honestly, these next couple of things are like what I'm most excited for. I did buy them today. I stopped at Dick's Sporting Goods and I've wanted these for like years. I've had my eye on them, and I got the Adidas track pants just in black, and I've always thought they are so gorgeous. You know, they get tight at the bottom. No, I don't play soccer or anything, but they're just so cute and comfy, and you can wear them with like a crop top, and they just look good, and they have nice pockets and a drawstring. These are normally $60, but for some reason they were on sale for $50. So yeah, I'm really excited about these. I think they're super cute. If you follow me on Instagram, then you will have seen I posted on my story that I was about to spend a bunch of money. And then this is what I'm most excited for. I was looking online yesterday at Dick's Sporting Goods website because I wanted to like check things out before I went to the store, and I was like, I know me, I hate spending money. I'm not gonna do this, but I'm gonna dream. With those pants, do you know what would look really cool? Would be a nice white pair of kicks, you know? Because I don't have any white shoes. The only tennis shoes I have aren't cute because they're actually like good for working out in. And I went there and there was a sidewalk sale. In the entire women's section outside, there were 2 pairs of shoes my size. I'm size 9 in boxes, and I had no idea what they were. The one that I reached for, I opened it up and it's like the heavens shined. Like the perfect pair of white shoes that I was looking for were in the sale box, and oh, they're just freaking gorgeous. They're the Nike Air Max, and oh my god, this bottom part is clear and I feel like I'm walking on a cloud, and they're just so freaking cute. I just want to like show every single angle possible because these are like my babies now. These are normally, I don't know, don't quote me on this, but I think they're around like $130 or something. They were on sale for $70. So yes, $70 is still a lot of money to be spending, but like I couldn't not get them. They were just calling my name, and I can't wait to wear these. I haven't gotten new shoes in a while, and I'm gonna be wearing the heck out of these. I'm super scared to get them dirty though because I just like can't stop showing them. I'm just in love, like literally in love. Ah! Okay, then the third thing I got today, which is why I had the idea for this video, because I had like a small shopping spree. Small as in 3 items, but very pricey. The last thing I got is I completely ran out of foundation. I've always used cheap drugstore foundation that's, you know, 10 bucks. I'm gonna splurge, and I got my first high-end foundation, and I got the Too Faced Born This Way. I have very dry skin, and so I needed to find the perfect foundation. And this is in the shade Natural Beige. Since I ran out of my other one, it was also getting too pale since I'm a lot more tan now. But just look at this bottle. But it's just like the most gorgeous, like, what's it called? Like frosted glass. And it has just a nice pump, and I love pumps. They're so easy. And this is what I'm wearing today. I use like a pump and a half. But like, look, I have super dry skin, but you can't tell me that my face isn't like super dewy. Like, what the heck is that? Like, my face has never looked this dewy before. It's also a nice medium to full coverage. And look, it just matches like my tan perfectly. This is $40. The only thing is that since it's so much and you run out of foundation, probably use like 2 foundations a year. Like, that's gonna be a lot of money, but I love it. The next thing I ordered was from personalplanner.com, and I'm someone who loves to stay organized. You can customize your planner. I already had one from last year, and I just finished the last week of it, so I ordered a new one. This one I messed up on and put the wrong cover on, so they're still sending me a new one, but I'll just show you, because this is supposed to be the back cover. It's the Disney with Forever Young. This is supposed to be the back, and on the front, I don't know, it's something really cute. But here's the inside. You can just completely customize it. So here's my weekly layout. I just had it blue up top with yellow lines, and like I said, you can change the layout, what's on the bottom, how the days are, and then you can put your own things in the back. I have like Sudoku and blank pages and lined pages, and this will be super nice to stay organized. Another thing I just bought from Rite Aid was a pack of like 10 soda flavored chapsticks. My favorite is by far the root beer one. It smells so good. But if you haven't seen it, I did the chapstick kissing challenge with Nick, and I'll link that down below too, where one of us put this on and then we would kiss, and then the other one would guess the flavor. So go watch that one. Last but certainly not least is something I've had my eyes on, and I don't have it to show you, which is unfortunate because it's in the mail. It should be coming in like a couple of days, so maybe I could get some footage in. I don't know, but I got myself a record player, and I'm so excited. It's the most beautiful bright baby blue color, and it's just gorgeous. And I love pink stuff, so I figured that a bright blue would be a nice contrast. And then to start me off, I got the Guardians of the Galaxy Volume 1 record because my brother has it, and I love Guardians of the Galaxy, and every single song in it just gets me hyped, and I thought it'd be the perfect one to start off my collection. And yeah, I'm so excited about that. Oh, the record player was $55 and the record was $20. So yeah guys, that's it for my expensive haul, and like I said, I don't normally do this, and it's over the past month or 2 or so, and yeah, can't wait to see you guys on Saturday. Have a great day, everyone, make someone smile, and I'll see you guys next time.